Hi, this is Doug with CharityDeductions.com, and the purpose of this particular video is to talk specifically to the tax professionals out there about why you should offer CharityDeductions.com as a service to your clients. And just to give you a little background, this is a charitable deduction website that helps taxpayers maximize the value of the items that they donate to charities. It's all about the fair market values of those non-cash items that they're donating. And so what we've found, and this is through personal experience as well, there's a thing called form fear. Clients and taxpayers, and that was me, was afraid of additional forms, and which also invited the potential for an audit. And that was fearful for me as a taxpayer because I didn't know if I donated things. Of course I donated things, items to charities, but I didn't know where to research the values of such things. And if I just made it up, yeah, I was definitely going to be in a tight spot if I got audited. What the solution is to provide your clients with a resource that offers them defensible and accurate values for the items that they're donating to charity. We have a database that's exclusive to us with over 15,000 items in 5 different condition levels, which is more than anyone's got out there, to be able to really boost that refund that your clients should get based on their charitable giving, especially in this area of the non-cash or item. What some clients do is they look at those free online valuation guides that are out there. But I don't think if you were face-to-face with an IRS auditor and they say, where'd you get it? And you say, here. And then they say, where did they get it? And how fresh is this? You've got nothing. So you really want to put yourself and your clients and your practice in a good position where you can provide them with defensible and accurate values so that the clients don't have form fear, and so they don't have fear of getting audited, at least for this particular reason, because they're making up values. And our website goes through all kinds of different information of how much money clients or taxpayers are leaving on the table year after year and what they could be doing with that. So I encourage you to go to CharityDeductions.com to research that. So on to you, and why would you want this kind of service for your practice? Well, it's a value add. There aren't too many tax professionals out there that offer this because they've seen the charitable deduction be a big time killer in terms of your efficiency when you're processing tax claims. What you're fearing is the shoebox full of stuff or receipts or whatever it is, and nothing's processed or valued or anything. So that's, I know, one of your fears. So if you could provide value much in the same way that online tax software does, you can offer that same kind of value. So I want you to start thinking about your Schedule A clients, because these are the ones that are already chasing that deduction given their interest on their mortgages. So that'd be a natural area to start with. And from the client's perspective, the benefits here are really just to pay, potentially to offset your fees for your services by getting a boost in their refund or having to pay less on a tax bill. And thanks to your efforts in looking out for them with this deduction, which they're probably already donating quite a bit, this is a really good fit. Also for your practice, this is a good idea just for the areas of client attraction and retention. There's no client out there that even wants to hear the word tax unless it's end of December through the middle of April. In between, it's okay for us to hear some communication from a tax professional about, hey, why don't you clean out that closet, the attic, the basement, the garage, or that storage unit that you've been paying on forever, and get this stuff out. And by the way, donate it and get your charitable deduction at the same time. those are good reminders, and people tend to do that when they have time. So that's summer, spring break, and definitely they're motivated to do it at the end of the calendar year so they can make sure they get a receipt dated at the right time. So those are the kinds of things I want you to think about. And how do you promote this in your cover letter that's sent out to your clients, your website? You know, those are the kinds of communications that you can do. Okay, so as a tax professional, really your decision, your first decision is who pays for this. And we've got it set up so you could run either model. Either you pay and you can pay in bulk for several clients all at once and upgrade them, or you can have your client pay. So let's cover the TaxPro Pay method first, and I'll show you what that looks like. So as a tax professional, as part of our program at charitydeductions.com, we'll set up for you a master account. And with that master account, you also get a landing page with your logo on it for your clients to access, so they know that we're in partnership and this isn't, you know, kind of a bait and switch kind of scenario. It gives us and you credibility. So in a scenario where you're paying, you can literally set this up yourself. So you can set up how many accounts you want created for what tax year. You can enter in their name, last name, first name, set up their username, and they get a custom password. And then for whatever rates that we negotiate, you pay for all of these all in one shot. Now on your side, you can fold that into your annual fees with your clients. You can just absorb it. Whatever it is you want to do is totally up to you. The other thing you can do is upgrade in bulk your clients as well. So as we roll out additional tax years, click, 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 you add who you want to upgrade, and then you pay for them all in one shot, and it's done. Now your account is now linked with their account, and what the benefits of that are on the side of running reports. So I'm going to go over here to the select tax year, print reports. So the reports that you can access are these, and it's the itemized summary. Let me take this thing off. Itemized summary, the summary report. This is really the one that you want to see, and then there's also donation lists with them without the values on there. This is the one that you're going to need for the 8283. This report looks like this, and this is the report you can access online through your master account because you're connected with your client's accounts. And so what we're talking about is, hey, this is on Schedule A, line 16. Here's the number you want to put in. On line 17 or on 8283, Section A, Part 1, you know, this is the number you want to put in there. Done. And you're moving on in your process. You don't have to do more than that because your clients have already done all that kind of work. Now, on the side of having your clients pay, what we'll provide you is with a promo code. And when they go to sign up for an account and eventually to pay for that, what they'll do is they'll click the tax year they want, and they'll enter your promo code in. They'll get a discount associated with that promo code, and your accounts will now be linked again, so you can access their reports via your master account. So this is a really new thing for tax professionals. I encourage you and challenge you to think about your practice and how it can be improved by adding more value to your client base with the charitable deduction. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. There's on our website, there's Contact Us, and you can send us an email and talk to us about how to get set up. Thank you very much for your time. We're looking forward to partnering with you soon.